Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa channel ko, well, I'm Naricel. Nag-share ako ng crochet tutorial. Ang topic natin ngayon is part of shell stitches. During my previous video, ang pinakita natin doon na tutorial is post and shell crochet stitches. So, in this video, ang next topic natin or ang next type of shell stitches na i-discuss ko sa inyo, papakita ko kung paano gawin, ay ang shells and arches. Okay, let's start doing shells and arches. First, we have to do a chain multiple of 12 plus 4. So, meron na akong na-prepare dito na 24 chain plus 4, total of 28. So, ang ating first row, double crochet on third chain from hook. So from here, 1, 2, and 3. So 2 double crochet, 1, and 2. Then next, skip 2 chain. So we have to skip this 1, 2. So on the next chain, single crochet. Okay, single crochet, and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then dito sa baba, skip din tayo ng 5 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the next chain, single crochet on the next chain, and then skip again 2 chain. So 1, 2, on the next chain, 5 double crochet. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and last double crochet in the same stitch. Yan, yung ating shell. And then after that, after the 5 double crochet in one stitch or in the same stitch, count again, skip 2 chain, 1, 2. So on the next chain, single crochet. Okay, so should be like this, and then repeat the same process from the first one. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and then count here, skip ulit tayo ng 5 dito sa baba. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 6, on the next chain, single crochet. So now we have remaining 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. So we skip the 2 chain, 1, 2. On the last chain here, we have to do 3 double crochet. One, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet, the third one. Okay, so this is how we end up our first row of shell and arches crochet stitch. We will move on second row, row 2. Okay, chain 1, then balik na rin natin, and then single crochet to the very first stitch. So this one. Okay, single crochet, and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After the chain 5, one single crochet dito sa middle ng loop na to. Yan, dito sa middle. Single crochet dito. Okay? Like that. And then, chain 5 again. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And single crochet in the middle here. And the third double crochet. Yung shell natin is composed of 5 double crochet. So here in the middle, on the third double crochet, on the top of it, single crochet. Okay, like this. And then chain 5 again. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And single crochet ulit dito sa middle ng loop. Ito yung pinakang loop. So in the middle, single crochet. And then again, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet dito sa last top of turning chain. Ito yun. Ito. The last top of turning chain. Dito. Yan. Okay, single crochet, then turn, so this is our first and second row, or yung tinatawag na row 1 and row 2. So now we will do row 3, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then single crochet on the middle of this loop. Okay, like this. And then next, gagawa na tayo ng shell. Yarn over for the 5 double crochet in one stitch. First double crochet, second, third, and fourth. Sorry, only 4 double crochet. So like that. And then again, single crochet in the middle of the loop. This one. Yung ginagawa natin chain 5. And next to it is chain 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then here again, single crochet here. Okay, single crochet. After single crochet, start ulit ng panibagong shell. First double crochet, second, third, and fourth double crochet on the same stitch. And then next, single crochet again in the middle of the loop of the next loop, and after this, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet in the last single crochet, then turn. This one, yan, double crochet dyan, so yarn over, insert doon, Okay, so this is how we end up our third row of shells and arches. So we will move on to row 4. Okay, chain 1, and then 1 single crochet on the first double crochet dito, yan, dyan, magsi-single crochet tayo dyan, like that. Okay, after the single crochet on the top of the double crochet here, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then single crochet on the third double crochet of the shell. So dito yun, itong gitna dito. Okay, so single crochet here, like this, and then after the single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then single crochet again dito sa middle of the next loop, yan, like this. The next, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet again on the top of the third double crochet of the shell. Okay, and then chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet on the third chain turning chain. So dito yun, pag sinabing turning chain, dito yun, and single crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks like and how we end up the fourth row of shell and arches crochet stitch. Next is row 5. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, baliktarin, yan. Then this one count as double crochet, and then we have to add 2 more double crochet in the first stitch. So dito, okay, yarn over, insert doon, first double crochet and second double crochet, okay. Then single crochet on the middle of the loop, okay, and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then after chain 5, single crochet in the middle of the next loop, like this. Then we have to do shell, okay, first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and fourth double crochet. So after the shell, yung 4 na double crochet, single crochet again, single crochet on the middle of the next loop, yan, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, single crochet in the middle of the loop, in the next loop, Okay. Then 3 double crochet on the last turn single crochet dito. First, second, and third double crochet. So this is how we end up the fifth row or the 5 rows. Medyo curve siya dyan, pero don't worry kasi once na mahatak yun dyan sa taas, pantay na yan. Para to sa susunod na row. So uulitin lang yung from row 2, 3, 4, and 5 hanggang sa mabuo nyo yung prefer nyo na measurement o length. Ulitin lang yun. After nitong row 5, so ulitin na yung row 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, dinagdagan ko siya ng 5 more rows. Sana po may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na to. At please consider to subscribe to my channel at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notified ka every time na mayroon ako mga bagong videos katulad nito. Muli po, maraming salamat sa panonood. See you on my next video. Salamat po.